I'm sorry I couldn't do on Wednesday, but I'll do it today, Thursday. The burps are back, baby. My stomach hurts really bad, but like and subscribe for more.